hello. Oh, hello. Just gotta say, oh, hello.
Hello, Connecticut. We had to expand our set to the stage because our friends from the Connecticut Manufacturing are here. Paul Lavoie, Chief Manufacturing Officer for the state of Connecticut. I never know what you're going to bring me.
I know.
This is unbelievable.
It's National Robotics Week, so we should celebrate robotics.
You know that I love watching that TV show. The robots or whatever it's called. My husband watches it, but when we get to see all these teams building great things, and we have it right here in Connecticut. Tell me about this program.
Sure, absolutely. So across the state of Connecticut, we have what's called FIRST Robotics, and we also have what's called VEX Robotics. But this is our FIRST Robotics teams, and it's a K through 12 program where there's 3 separate programs. So there's First Lego League, and then there's FTC, this is FTC that we're looking at, and FRC, which is FIRST Robotics. So FTC is First Technical, right? First Tech Talent. See, they know better than I do.
They know, the kids know.
These kids are smart. And this is an after-school program where kids are getting involved, getting on teams, working together, and learning all about robotics. And we support them with funding from the Manufacturing Innovation Fund. All
right, so Team Thundering Roar from Hartford and their robot club. Which side is that? Are you Team Thundering Roar? No, you're of course you are.
The ones with Thundering Roar T-shirts,
oh,
Renee. Yeah.
Thank you. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Max.
And?
Hi, I'm Vishnu Sivtri.
Who came up with your team name?
Well, we really decided on it together as a team, yeah. Okay. But we went through so many stages of going through team names. Like we started out with like lightning because we wanted to incorporate like that strength that lightning gives, but also that strength that the lion gives. So we came up with the team name Thundering Roar.
These kids.
It's impressive, isn't it?
It feels good.
This is the future. This is the future of manufacturing. I feel very good.
Look, can I see a little something here?
Yeah.
Ooh.
We're gonna just do some baskets.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, we're just gonna do some baskets really quick for you.
Okay, so they're gonna do some and then we're gonna meet our next team. And you built this?
Well, we all did as a team.
Teamwork! Oh my gosh. What are you controlling it with?
So it uses 2 parts of our team to control the robot, the arms, like the arm, and the base, which is me. I'm the base driver.
And what are you doing?
I control like the arms of the robot.
Oh boy. So you're controlling the picking up and the putting down.
Yeah.
All right. I absolutely. Paul, when you see this, tell me how this makes you feel to know that you're
So these kids, they have to design this, they have to program it, they have to make sure that it works, they have to troubleshoot it, and they have to work together in a team environment to be able to do this, to get these to do exactly what they needed to do. And again, you just saw, 2 of them are working in tandem to not only get that over here, but to get it up and drop it into the basket as well. So this really teaches teamwork, it teaches them certainly skills, skills as it relates to hardware development, software development, making a machine, making robotics, but more importantly, teamwork. And
Paul
and
has the
together.
best job in the state of Connecticut. I'm firmly convinced at this point. Now, Team Armored Artemises from Glastonbury and their robot, am I going to say it right? Edward?
Yes.
Okay, it's Edward. Tell me your names.
Harlow, Lexi, Ananya.
Okay, now what does your robot do?
This is Edward. Edward is able to pick up and drop off in the bucket just as Cub is able to. Ours is specifically unique with a active intake and transfer system.
And what are you controlling?
So we also have both arms and base driver, but our arms driver couldn't make it today. Oh yeah.
Hello, Edward. Edward was coming at me. I wasn't sure what's going on. And how did you help contribute to this?
So I'm not on the drive team, but there's also another portion of the competition, which is looking at other teams and working with others, because we play it in a 2 versus 2 robot match.
Cool.
So I look at that stuff during competition.
Edward, easy over there. Look, that is unbelievable. So now, does your robot have a name?
We call our robot Cub as like a baby lion.
Oh, that's cute. Yeah. Can I see you do some more work and tell me what you're gonna do?
We're just gonna since our robot's arm doesn't extend like
Edward's,
we do the low baskets.
Okay.
Yes, but mostly during the match we would do these things called specimen. It would gain us more points in the match.
Okay.
We can do about are, like 4 to 5 really were working on 6.
Now, can you guys have Edward and Cub play together? Oh, you guys, this is live action TV, Paul. This is very exciting to me.
Well, I want to set your expectation. These are not battle bots, so they're not going to fight each other.
They're not battle bots.
So yeah, but these are.
I'll let them get that.
And so these are the first in the state,
Now
right?
you're going to hand it to him. What? You're going to give him?
This is a handoff. Oh, Cub has given Edward a block.
Yeah, you can draw.
Ooh,
Oh,
that's
they're
pretty-
friends. Oh.
Let go.
Cub, let go.
There
All
we
right,
go.
good. There you go. Whoa. I could watch this.
For them.
So Paul, as we're coming to a close here real quick
Yeah.
before we go to our CT Smiles, if parents are watching this, schools are watching this, and they want to find out about more, what can they do?
Sure. So Ready CT manages our statewide robotics program. Lisa Nolman's our statewide robotics coordinator. We have 306 robotics programs across the state. So generally, every school system has a robotics program, and if not, ask your school to talk to Ready CT about bringing a robotics program to you and to your school.
Absolutely.
But this is a way that we inspire the next generation of manufacturing workers through our robotics program.
All right, they're going to keep playing as we go now to our SK Lavery CT Smiles. First, take a look at